So I haven't made a video for a long time, and just gonna show what I did with my old honey house. I turned it into a CNC workshop. I built a CNC machine a long time ago, probably 15 years ago. So I have a laptop there tied into my home network, so I can move files from the home network to my CNC controller, which uses Mach 3. And I just have a old desktop PC that I use because my CNC still uses a parallel port for communicating with the stepper drivers. I have them all mounted in that poly cabinet there. I'm going to change that to a metal cabinet. I don't know if noise is a problem with my electronics, but that seems to be the thing to do. Got my 10,000 BTU propane ventless heater. Works really well until it gets really cold, then it doesn't keep up. Got my window air. That works really well in the summertime, of course. What I just got done doing is I've been working on trying to come up with a way to control the dust better. And I built this cabinet to go over the top of my CNC machine. And I still got to make some doors for the end here. And the plexiglass looks really dirty because it still has a protective film on it. I don't want to take that off until I'm done cutting. But I'm going to have doors on each end so I can load stock in and out easier. And I have a manometer set up here because I was curious how well the cabinet is working. If I open the doors here, I actually mounted a squirrel cage blower up here. It's one motor with 2 wheels on it, and my intent is to turn it on when the spindle is operating so that I can keep the cabinet negative and basically contain all the dust, sawdust, chips inside the cabinet itself. So I'm gonna turn the blower on, but I'm gonna turn the spindle off because it's really noisy. So there are the squirrel cage blowers on. And I come down here to my manometer, and we're negative 0.192, negative 0.2 inches of water column. So that means that these gaps that I have here, you can call it poor craftsmanship if you'd like, but the air's got to come from somewhere, so it's going to leak into the cabinet, and that will prevent the dust from escaping out. And on top here, if I can get high enough, but I just have the outlet of the fan blowing out into my workshop. There's my wireless router up there. I thought that was a good place for it. And I'm turn the spindle off, and the fan shuts off. Now I'm going to turn the power to the spindle back on. And the second thing I wanted to do with this cabinet is try to knock the noise down. So I'll turn the spindle on again. So when I open the door, it should get quite a bit louder. So that's what I've been busy doing in my old honey house. And we're back down to 0. Thanks for watching.